Allow me to get you familiar with this 68 C10 Restomod. Starting right off up front, she's got a few custom touches. Of course, Chevrolet never offered this truck in this gorgeous dark gray metallic. The grills would have came chrome. This one tastefully blacked out. New emblems, new lights. We no longer have the chrome bumper. She's flushed in. And gotta love the 67s and 68s for this slanted hood. This one has been D-badged and looks killer. Speaking of looking killer, that LS3 6.2 liter under here looks badass. I love the retro style coil pack covers. She's equipped with power disc brakes by Wilwood, power steering, vintage AC. You see we get our cooling from this nice 3-inch thick Howe aluminum radiator with dual electric fans on it. AC components look new. We got a nice free-flowing cold air inlet, which pairs nicely with those long tube headers. Hood seals up well, fits great. So we got some billet side marker surrounds with some new lenses in there. This thing gets its stance from a Belltech drop kit. It's got tubular control arms, drop spindles, Wilwood 6-piston brakes, and the icing on top are these forged 3-piece wheels by SP2 Forged, wrapped in brand new rubber. If you check out the gap from the hood to the cowl to the fender to the door, even up that A-pillar, it looks sharp. Got a custom set of mirrors on here, powder coated in black. Door handles powder coated, lock cylinder even. She's a factory short bed truck, so the frame has not been cut. So we got a little bit more dish and a little bit more rubber out back, looking fly. Nice filler panel and plate mount where the rear bumper once was. We also have an integrated backup camera. Coming down this side, again, you see some billet surrounds on the side markers, another hot set of wheels, nice straight bed sides, quality paint. Has a high glossy finish everywhere you look. And there again, you see those big ass 6-piston Wilwoods. All right, doors open wonderfully. Clean, crisp door edges. Rockers and cab corners look awesome. Looks like factory spot welds. We have the original VIN tag here and a complete custom interior from TMI. Lovely door cards. Done in leather. We got black anodized billet handles for our window crank and our door release. We got the bucket seats in here with a little bit of suede and a really trick center console, if you will, with 2 cup holders. You don't realize how important those are until you don't have them. We've got a billet steering wheel by FSS. It's on a I Did It tilt column. Check that out. And one of my favorite things on the market right now are these old school looking gauges that fit right in the factory location. However, they've got modern high-tech capabilities that pair nicely to the engine management of that LS3 motor up front. We've got a Pioneer head unit. This is where we can display the backup. This is where we can listen to our Bluetooth. It's got a couple speakers behind the seat and 2 up in the dash. Banging. Below that, we have our heat and AC controls. While we're down here, carpet kit looks new. We've got new sound insulation on the firewall, and you see there's Dynamat added as well. Glove box has 2 auxiliary 12-volt sockets, and you see it's snubbed a little bit from factory size. That is due to the vintage air box behind it, but it is still usable space. On top of this dash pad, we've got a bit of leather, a bit of suede, and you see those speaker surrounds. This thing's smooth. As we look up, we notice we got a nice headliner, beautiful trim all the way around, visors to match everything else TMI going on, and a nice little rear view mirror. One other nice addition this truck has is retractable shoulder belts, which they certainly did not have from the factory. This thing's got it all. if you want to see a whole build biology, get a breakdown of all the parts, be sure to check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to the full listing on our website. That's where we got 100+ pictures of this beautiful truck all the way around it, pictures up underneath it, everything you might want to see. And if you don't see it, call us. We'll get it over to you. The number to dial is 248-714-2110, and our email is inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. If you enjoyed the video, we'd appreciate you liking it, sharing it with your pals, and if you want to be in tune with our latest arrivals over here, YouTube sees them first. People are sniping cars off of YouTube. Half the stuff we don't end up listing on our website these days. It's crazy. Beautiful truck. Let's hear it, Chop, one more time.